Hello, I'm Dr. Hanlon, and today we'll be informing you about microbreaks. What exactly are they? They're frequent 1 to 2 minute breaks employees will use in order to rest fatigued muscles. But why? Why should we be microbreaking? When we're sitting and standing, or we have a physically demanding job, or we're doing repetitive motions, muscles are going to get fatigued, and we cannot have that for prolonged periods of time, as it's going to lead to injury, specifically MSI injury. And we do not want that. So by doing micro breaks, we're not only going to lower that MSI risk, we're going to be more productive overall. Our brains are going to be more energized, and we're going to be healthier human beings overall, which is, of course, our number one as humans. We need to be healthy. That's a given. So a lot of different things are going to fatigue us, but there's 4 main ones. Prolonged sitting, so about 30 minutes. What can we do about that? We can stand up, we can move around, and we can stretch. Prolonged standing in one place, again, around 30 minutes. Sit down, rest your legs. You can stretch or you can move around. I apologize, I'm sick. Repetitive motions. For repetitive motions, you should either rest the muscle group by just not doing anything else, or use different muscles in a different task. And for a physically demanding job, for that you should either be taking longer breaks in between, or you can also just do less physically demanding tasks. My favorite form of microbreaking is stretching. I will always recommend it to every single worker out there, even people that aren't working. And why? I mean, it's one of the best things you can do for your posture, your balance, your joint health, all of these amazing benefits. And all you have to do is take 1 to 2 minutes out of your day and stretch. It's wonderful. The only problem is some people haven't been taught how to stretch. They bounce, they push or pull excessively, they injure themselves this way, and we cannot have that. So, if you follow me, I'm going to do a demonstration of one of my favorite stretches. It's good for your glutes and your lower back. I'm going to make sure that we know how to do this properly. I'm breathing when I'm doing this, and my core is braced. 2 major things. Core is braced, you're breathing, and your body's warm. You do not want to pull something because your body wasn't warm. So now I'm going to lift this leg here. I'm going to grab it with an overhand grip on my ankle and an underhand grip on my knee. I'm going to pull towards my chest. Make sure I'm breathing. And the time, I usually recommend 1 to 2 seconds on each side. However, where I'm a little bit more flexible as I've been doing this stretch, I tend to hold it a little bit longer. So again, we're breathing. Overhand grip around the ankle, underhand around the knee. We're pulling towards the chest. We're not pushing or pulling excessively. We're not bouncing. We're making sure we're in control. And most importantly, nothing is causing discomfort. If we are getting discomfort from these stretches, we need to stop immediately before we injure ourselves. So those are micro breaks, but before you go, if you are looking to stretch, please, if you are previously injured and you are looking to stretch that muscle group, get approved by a doctor. We cannot keep having people coming in here telling them that they've re-injured themselves because they tried to stretch their quad here and they ended up setting their progress back months. It's really bad. We cannot keep having that. That's all I have to say about micro breaks. We recommend them. Please do them. Thank you very much for listening.